Hello kids, welcome to today's study class. Today we learn how to color in our pineapple. Let's learn some colors name. Pink color, sky blue color, green color, light green color, grey color, brown color, black color, orange color, yellow color, violet color. These are colors. So kids, this is a pineapple and let's learn some colors. Today we use green and yellow color. Firstly we outline with yellow color. Now we use green color. Now we use some different colors. Orange color, orange color, violet color, light green color, pink color, dark green color, brown color, so our pineapple is ready. Let's revise again. Green and yellow, brown, green, pink, light green, orange, violet and brown. So kids, I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe my channel. See you next video. Bye bye.